Yo guys, I'm back actually. I'm back at Brahmaputra. We are inside Brahmaputra actually. I'm with my friends. As you can see, some of us, there are so many friends. These are like some of us. And we will be giving you a tour, hopefully, of nightlife at NPTI. And he's the host, Mr. Satyam
Hello
Vishwakarma.
guys,
Yeah.
I'm Satyam and I'm gonna show you how the life in NPTI. So let's start.
Yeah, let's start, guys. Are you guys ready?
Bro,
Yeah, and this will be raw, guys. This will be raw, no uncut. This will be like straight away coming.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
See this drag night Vedanta played 14.5.
Yeah, don't talk about the companies and everything.
this is our badminton
Yeah.
court. You can see.
Yeah. I can see, everyone can see. Yeah. And there are trees. I think we'll do this thing lately. Let's do the whole thing.
Yeah.
Whole NPT, night life. Yeah. There is so many ways, right? Satyam.
Yeah,
There are so many ways to exit through this hostel. Guys, walk forward. Just be natural as well. Don't act like you are on a video. It's all try actually. It's all try. So you get out of Brahmaputra and see this is the view.
And
Yeah.
that is our corporate office.
I think it's a bit dark, but you can see. You can see. Mm-hmm.
Hello guys.
Yeah. How many times you have to say hello?
See that DG ma'am house?
Yeah,
That
that's
house
DG
is of
man. Yes. And of course.
Now it's time to. I'll take you to the cricket
Yeah.
ground. Okay. So let's go.
Let's go from here
Yeah.
because it has the street light and everything. Guys, walk forward. Actually, we got bored. That's why, like, we thought.
It is late night.
Yeah.
We are just doing night vlog.
Sorry, I think it's iPhone, but still, it's night. So of course, video might be the quality might just not be there. But I hope it will be good.
Yeah, we are enjoying the life of NPTI here.
Yeah, and
It's
see
really
somebody
It's
else.
our
I think.
canteen, you know.
Yes.
It's our canteen and it's our mess, you know. So
Yeah.
Close right
that
now.
is our mess.
Mhm.
And the thing that we all have been waiting for.
This is auditorium,
This is our auditorium.
of course.
And it has a capacity of around 500 students.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can see some people coming by. But it's it's a public place.
Public place.
Some positive energy is coming.
Some positive energy is coming, that for sure. Positivity is always needed. Just talk like you are actually kind of talking to your family or something, so that we don't get fucked up. But it's an open and kind of a public sort of a place. So everything will be all right, I
All
think.
right.
So should we go ahead straight, right?
Oh, I'll guide you.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's
Come
the
with
guide.
Come with me, guys.
Come with him. Go with him. I don't know the grammar, but whatever it is.
And this is our volleyball court.
This is
you know,
our
and basketball
court. And maybe we
basketball
should
court
go
is there.
inside, right? Just go inside and just see one guy is running. He's a runner.
This is our volleyball court.
Yeah.
And that is our basketball court.
There is light actually. It's good. You can
And
stay
also
there
see
and.
our cricket court also.
And we also used to play cricket here.
Mm-hmm.
And still, I think that's the best place
Yes.
for NPTI.
Now I think I
Yens.
to explain.
You know.
Yeah, please.
Okay.
We play volleyball here.
We'll walk through here and go. Go up and see. This is the volleyball court, of course, with the lights. Everything is on. And this is basketball. Sorry, there is some hole which we have. I think somebody put a hole in up there. Is that you, bro?
No. I'm
Definitely not you, right?
Definitely
If this video goes up and If we- if we-
This is our non-striker end.
yeah, this non-strikers,
This is our
and as you
non-striker
can
end.
see, it's from Deluxe. It's sponsored by Deluxe.
Deluxe.
Deluxe sponsor us.
Yeah, guys. Hello, guys.
And there is another basketball court.
Yeah.
Badminton, basketball.
Basketball.
No,
No,
basketball.
it's
outdoor
it's,
badminton court. It's
out-
badminton court.
Yes.
Sorry.
Outdoor badminton court.
But you can't see the net and everything. Just assume that it's there.
Yeah.
If you assume that it's there, it's there.
There.
And see, there is kind of a outdoor. It doesn't look that. But let's not go there. Let's
And
just
the building behind this wall is a girls' hostel.
Girls' hostel.
Yeah.
Where girls leave, of course.
Yeah. In girls' hostel, girls will only live,
Yes.
bro.
And we are slowly walking. Slowly, we're gonna climb the stairs. First of all,
Okay.
carefully,
We can-
carefully.
No, we can do fast also.
Yeah, you can do fast
We are
also.
energetic power
Yeah.
engineers.
See, actually, we came from there. We go through the ground and show you everything. Now, this is where
Girls reside.
girls reside, of course. Like, okay, that's not right. This is where some people, like girls, are people too, right? So,
There is also a good place.
yeah, there is temple.
There is a temple. And
Let's. But recently they just start the road, so it looks very clean and neat and
No,
everything.
it is daily. They are sweep.
Daily there is sweeping, right?
Yeah.
You can say that it is raw actually.
Oh,
So
wow.
you can be yourself. Don't try to be pretend to be somebody else. You can be
Yeah.
yourself. And I know we will make mistakes, but it's all right.
Yeah.
It is sweep. It is wrong. That is the mandir. Hey, bro, you can show.
Yeah,
that
yeah.
is the temple. That is our temple.
This is the temple which got inaugurated when?
Last
the day-
2 months ago,
Mm-hmm.
On the day of what?
on the day of Mahashivratri.
Mahashivratri.
Am I
Ah,
right?
yeah. And we had food and everything.
Yeah.
Right.
It's basically called. उसे क्या कहते हैं? Is basically called what? Bhandara.
Yeah, Pandara.
That's the thing.
Forgive my Hindi, I'm improving my Hindi. So that's that.
Okay.
Ashish, come friend, man. He's always talking with his girlfriend.
Yeah.
What
He
is his
always-
behavior?
गर्लफ्रेंड को थोड़ा रेस्ट दे दीजिए
हाँ.
आशीष जी कभी कभी उनको भी आराम दीजिए
So this is
कहना
like
क्या-
another
don't
girls'
worry.
hostel, and these were the
These are
faculty
quarters.
resides.
Besides
Faculty, the staff.
faculty's apartments.
Yeah, faculty apartments. We are kind of going behind everyone. Not their home area and everything. But yeah, as you can see, some LED lights. It's all glowing. And the moon is shining above our head. Mango trees. Is it mango tree? I don't know. Some neem, right?
Time नहीं हो गया ज़्यादा.
We'll upload the whole thing. We are shyless guys, remember.
या
Talk, man. Talk something. These are some.
the beautiful greenies are there
Oh,
beside the teacher's house and
beautiful.
faculty's house.
Yeah.
So they really enjoy the cool
See.
air of the.
cool air. Yeah.
Do you know what's the best thing about NPTI?
What's the best thing about NPA? Even
Tell
I
me
don't
first,
know.
then
What should I say?
what do you think? What will be?
I think that I'm not gonna say what is the best thing right now. I will maybe in end or some another walk. But what you have to say about NPA?
I think getting placed in a company, getting job is the best thing.
Okay.
Best thing is that talent gets opportunity here. If you have talent and you apply from outside, it's not sure that you'll get opportunity. But here you will get opportunity
Mhm.
if you have the talent. And
But
you
I'm
will
not
make of
talented.
it.
Oh, power went off, guys. I think that was very, very unexpected thing. This
But it
has
will
never
come.
happened.
It is
right?
also the best thing.
But still, we will vlog.
Yeah.
If you are in NPTA, sometimes power will go off.
But you get 24 hours.
That's
power.
very
You have
rare,
the mic.
right?
Yeah.
That's very rare.
DP
Maybe
will start
now that
automatically.
we are vlogging, it's gone off or something. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know what will happen to us. Oh, I can hear somebody sitting on the swing.
It's full dark.
Guys, it's all dark. What should we do? What should we do?
We should, I think.
This is a water tank. This is a water tank where,
Supply for like
yeah, this this is where we will be getting the water. Guys, let's just wait here for 1 minute because it's dark, man. We need to. So, but at least you can see the tower.
top.
Huh. So I'm gonna no we will still do the video. It's dark actually. I think this might give a bad impression. I will edit it off or else.
Power came. The best thing about NPTI is this also.
Oh.
Power goes and comes within a few minutes.
Few minutes.
24-hour power supply is there. That's
Generator
why,
just kicked in.
that's
Guys,
why
we are
this
back.
power
We are back. We haven't showed them another park actually. Yeah, you think what?
I think we have to go to the gym and show our
Yes,
pupils.
yes. We should. And now the lights are back. You can see some of the homes where faculty lives.
How much minute it has been?
19 minutes. I don't know, you can see there are lots of mangoes on this mango tree. Yeah, raw mango.
Hey, you show that one. You show that.
I showed. Slowly walking, guys. You need to talk something.
You can see the beautiful park there. That is where we sit after eating lunch, sometimes in the evening, just for
Beautiful
the
park.
beautiful breeze and the cool air,
Yeah.
fresh air we get, and we can walk in the road around the park.
That will be.
Man, I think let's do this thing first.
Yeah.
Do the gym. That side.
That side.
No, I think there are. Yeah, I think we'll do from here and then. I think it's. Really?
Okay.
Will you do that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go then.
Let's go.
Ask. Oh, we'll ask. Ask, man.
इधर चलो ना. हमारे सब्सक्राइबर को कुछ कहिए.
He's just making the vlog.
Not me, we.
बताओ सबको.
So anything you
It's
want
you,
to say
man.
about-
Why would I do the talking? I don't even know Hindi.
बहुत बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस रहा. अभी हम लोग डेली यहाँ पे 1-2 बजे तक एंजॉय करते हैं. तो हम लोग को बहुत यहाँ की याद आने वाली है. बहुत ज़्यादा. हम लोग 8-9 दिन में 17 को जा रहे हैं यहाँ से.
अच्छा.
कितने दिन हो गए आप लोग?
Oh, we'll miss you guys.
अच्छा. शुभम भाई के साथ होंगे आप.
यूपीआर
वॉलीबॉल. आई नो हिम.
तो बहुत बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस.
And you enjoyed your stay over here.
Yeah, amazing. It
Guys,
has been.
NPTI is not paying us. This is nightlife in NPTI. So that's
yes,
that.
It has been amazing 3 months.
3 months.
So
Amazing 3
we
months.
have formed the JB group. we are JB group.
There are
Okay.
3 members in JB group.
Yeah.
We enjoy a lot.
We
in
enjoy a
NPTI.
lot,
Yeah.
and we are the most famous, in fact, infamous group, you can say.
So have you got the locations?
Location, yes, posting location. Yeah. We are
We are
from
posted on.
But it's very.
all.
Yeah.
We are from all from.
UPR will Sobra.
Sonbhadra.
Actually, this is in portrait mode, and see, we got some unexpected people over here. Yeah. It's a good thing that power went off. We started vlogging, and it came back. You were outside, right, when power went off?
Yeah.
We are also wondering here.
Yeah. But see, when power,
The
came
power
back,
doesn't go off for
we
long
met
time.
some
Just
amazing
3 to 4
people,
minutes.
right?
There are
DJ says to
Just 3 minutes.
I started with Power Institute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Power Institute होने फायदा क्या?
Yeah. यही.
Power goes.
Power Institute में power ना रहे तो फिर फायदा
We are power news.
So guys, anything else you wanna say or something in Hindi? Like, sorry, I'm from South. Anything, like, you know, some memorable moment you had, some nice interaction or something with some teachers or something, or any special area in this campus you like, you
How's the
know,
food?
like some swing stuff.
Back there is a jhula.
Julia, okay.
So
See, now people are talking.
so it
Actually, two people were very used to that thing, and they just sing to till one.
Can you stand here? I think the light is coming from here.
JB group, come on.
Guys, sorry. Okay, now it's better. Yes.
Again
Shit,
blackout.
shit. Again blackout.
Again,
This is so unusual.
Again, it will took 3 minutes, maximum 3 minutes.
But we won't be cutting this thing. This is raw. It's already 15 minutes. We started from our hostel. We go through all the place and we met you guys. And, guys, anything you have to say? Say, yeah.
बहुत याद आई
Yeah, it was nice friends, and we will remember all
I know
this.
you can't see them. At least you can hear
Yeah,
them, right?
we will start our schedule from the morning to up to 1 or 2 o'clock. Okay.
Yeah.
From morning 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. in
After the class is
Oh,
over,
it's back.
at the evening 5 p.m. we go to the gym, and approximately we spend 2 hours in gym.
Mm-hmm.
After that we for 1 hour we spend walking here and there
Yeah.
in NPTI campus.
People watching, right?
And after that we go to the mess and having dinner. After that we
How's the food? Can you please tell
How is the food? That's the big question.
The food was very good at the start, but
Yeah.
after
Be honest.
yeah.
Louder.
Yeah, I am totally honest
Yeah.
regarding that.
Mm-hmm.
But after some time, it got degraded,
Oh.
and currently the food which is going to be served here is very bad.
Oh, that's
I've been
big.
complaining.
Oh, guys.
No, it's not very bad.
It's average.
just a
Very
minor
bad. There is
point.
fight in
My
between
opinion,
also,
in
guys.
my opinion,
Yeah.
it may vary from
It
people
may
to
be,
people.
Yeah.
your opinion, but first of all, schedule.
Mhm.
We used to wake up at say 7 or 8 o'clock.
Mhm.
Then we go for breakfast
Mhm.
at the mess. Breakfast is good, quite good. I like it. And then after classes, 10 to 5. This is
Guys,
very
no
rigorous
sugarcoating,
classes.
just to be
in the
yourself.
auditorium?
Yeah, no.
Oh,
Arey,
okay. Shit,
okay.
man. I
The
think
main building.
NPTI. See,
NPTI. This is
NPTI being NPTI.
Power Institute.
NPTI not
One
being
of
NPTI.
Yeah, maybe.
NPTI not
the
being
best
NPTI.
institute.
Mhm.
So again coming to the 10 to 5, which has been a very rigorous classes. It's a very strict classes. And then after 1 hour lunch, we after 5 o'clock. We are the JV group. then after 5 o'clock, we used to go to the room. Then after change the clothes, and 5:30 around, we used to go gym.
Yeah.
And from 5:30
How was
to
your
1
gym
o'clock.
experience? Yeah, experience
Gym,
with
gym
gym
experience, yes.
is very good.
Gym experience is quite
It's very
amazing.
posh. It's very big, right?
Yeah.
Like, it's very big.
So many people can do the gym at the same
Okay,
time.
it's honest opinion about gym.
So, have you
Gym-
played table tennis there?
Yeah.
Table tennis, yeah. Sports facilities is there. Okay, it's okay.
So table
Tell me
tennis,
how
table
many
tennis
of
room
you
was
are
somewhat
electrical
short
engineer?
for 2 people.
Yeah.
Well, it may be
We are
mechanical
Indians, we
inside.
can
Yeah.
manage.
You all
It's
from
not-
mechanical?
Mechanical, electrical, electronics.
हाँ भाई, मतलब
Oh, we got
I'm
all the
asking
engineers,
for,
mechanical, electrical, yeah, a blend of
how
everything,
many of
guys.
you are electrical engineer?
Yeah.
मतलब
Electrical
no
around.
one is from here.
no one was there.
Mechanical, electronics and
Electronics.
communications.
So which exam you cracked?
Yeah, enough, yeah. Enough with the exam, let's talk
So
talk
where
about
are from
NPTI.
You? Please, can you please tell all? I'm also from UP, so that's
I am from Prayagraj.
Acha, then you are neighbors type. I am from Kanpur.
From Ghaziabad.
I think the state to state bonding is happening right now.
So that is tier 2 and
Yeah, let's listen to one lady here. Not lady,
Girl,
wonderful.
girl, she's girl, not
Yeah,
lady.
Yes, of course. Sorry, yeah. What's your experience?
अच्छा था एक्सपीरियंस यहाँ की बहुत याद आएगी एक वीक बाद एक वीक ही बचा है बहुत याद आएगी दोस्त बने बहुत यहाँ पे
Yeah, good to hear
सभी
that,
से
right?
दोस्ती हुई तो अच्छा था
All this has been, written somewhere in this universe, This power went off. See you guys, See you guys. I'm not asking you to leave or something. But yeah.
केरल से है, that's why.
I'm from Kerala. I'm also improving my Hindi.
हिंदी हम हमसे सीखता है.
Thought about doing some. Of course, I understand.
Starting
Do you think I
he
was
not
acting?
understanding, but
Can you speak some words in Hindi?
हाँ, हिंदी में कभी खुशी कम कभी टोन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है. That's my Hindi right there.
जिम
But-
स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटीज ठीक है, जिम
हाँ,
थोड़ा
हाँ.
सा ओके ओके बेसिक
Average
खास
है,
equipment
ग्राउंड
नहीं
जो
है.
थोड़ा छोटा है, जिम सबसे प्रॉब्लम तो इधर पे है.
See, now things are coming
क्रिकेट नहीं
up.
खेल सकते ज्यादा.
बैडमिंटन टेबल टेनिस नहीं है,
We are
जिम
playing.
में इक्विपमेंट्स नहीं है. TT
पुराने
अच्छा है.
हैं
Man, again you told like gym initially. It's all right.
क्योंकि हम लोग ज़्यादा टाइम जिम और उसके बाद यहाँ घूमने बिताते हैं. उसके बाद जिम के बाद हम घूमते हैं, यहाँ पे बहुत राउंड मारते हैं.
अच्छा मतलब क्लासेस के अलावा भी पढ़ते हैं कि नहीं पढ़ते मतलब?
बहुत कम पढ़ते हैं.
Already cracked the job, man. Why they have to study?
Yeah, that's
You have to study. I have to
Yeah,
study.
we have to
to
study, man.
They don't have to study.
आप लोग
You are from BGDC.
Yeah, don't reveal our identity, guys. We are NBTI.
Okay, no.
Not revealing.
He also got placed.
Everyone got placed.
Congratulations, yeah, for replacement.
But it's not government job. No, just kidding. But yeah.
Okay, it's okay.
But yeah, I think met some people.
It was
and,
nice experience meeting you and talking to
Yes,
you.
it was
It's,
nice.
our
Really,
nice
really
hour,
nice to meet you.
Privileged to meet you people.
The craziest thing is that they are leaving. All these months they were with us, and we were strangers.
Yeah,
And,
हमने
yeah, bro.
हम यहाँ पे मतलब डिनर के बाद करीब करीब अराउंड 10 किलोमीटर्स लगाते
Yeah.
हैं. और हम
उधर पीछे साइड, गंगा के साइड.
Which side?
Yeah,
That side.
साइड और वहाँ पे.
Need to cover the whole area.
हम
Yeah.
लोग बैठे रहते हैं.
बहुत बढ़िया.
बहुत मजा आता है यहाँ पे.
हाँ.
बस मच्छर ज्यादा.
हाँ.
मच्छर.
I think that's what motivate us to study. Whenever we used to stay in hostel, when you fall asleep, this mosquito is like you have to study. You wake up. Study, study.
Yeah, one more.
Yeah. It's like you can't sleep. You will be studying. It's like NPTI mosquito will make you study.
होंगे ना मच्छर अच्छे.
हॉस्टल में रूम में नहीं आते बट खुला छोड़
एक और
देते हैं.
एक और आ गया नहीं.
Okay.
One more CNI guy is here.
Okay.
He's from
His name is
Sendai.
Dipankar.
And he is scientist also.
Scientist.
Oh, good,
Okay,
man.
what scientist thinks? What do scientists to do? Like of course they do the scientisty things.
अरे रुक जाओ यार, अभी बतियाते हैं.
Okay.
ब्लॉग मेकिंग ब्लॉग है यार.
But it's a good thing.
सरकारी आदमी को ब्लॉग नहीं बनाता.
Just a bit shy guys, so
He's a little bit shy. He might be working on some nuclear cooperation or something.
That's your time, yaar.
Yeah, scientist people, they are quite shy, They are bloody genius, but they don't, share all the information and stuff. But I think,
Scientists keep some information secret. So
Mhm,
he is not
secret,
revealing
yes.
to you. So
Yeah.
that's why he is going.
yes, I think we'll continue our journey. It's really nice to see,
एट द
people.
एंड यही बोलना चाहेंगे कि बहुत मिस करने वाले हैं ये मोमेंट.
बहुत याद आएगी.
इट हैज
बहुत
बीन
मजा आता है.
अमेजिंग.
Yeah.
हमारी जो बॉन्डिंग है मतलब पूरे ग्रुप की बहुत इंजॉय किया. हमने बहुत प्लेसेस विजिट किए, घूमे पूरा दिल्ली
अच्छा
घूमे.
दिल्ली घूमी अच्छे से.
Of course, man.
Not even Delhi. We have
बहुत
visited
जगह.
Jaipur and Haryana, Panipat,
From your side or college
Rishikesh
side?
also.
ऋषिकेश.
From
Some
your
small plan visit are from
Manaली
the
plan कर
NPTI
रहे हैं.
side and rest visit are from.
See,
Because
we are
from
stuck
both,
here.
combination,
They are
combination.
traveling
Yeah,
actually.
mix up.
2 पावर प्लांट विजिट्स.
Which one?
अमेजिंग. इन लोगों के प्लांट में हम लोग
One
गए.
Jhajjar power plant.
Yeah.
JPL.
बहुत अच्छा लगा.
And other is what Panipat.
एंजॉय.
पानीपत which plant?
PTPS पानीपत.
Panipat our power
पानीपत
station.
स्टेट
अच्छा of state government.
हाँ, yes, yeah.
आप लोगों को कोल वाले प्लांट मिलेंगे कि
कोल वाले
थर्मल प्लांट?
Thermal only.
अच्छा सही है.
In UP only.
Yeah,
State government.
Actually, the station is of the state government. So,
और आपने सिमुलेटर वगैरह तो सीख लिया होगा बढ़िया.
हाँ.
somewhat, not completely.
सिमुलेटर 500 और 800 में.
कितने days से चला था आप लोग का?
3 months.
Man, I think. Yeah.
2 weeks 14 days.
7 days.
Yeah.
They are very less for.
Yeah. They are very.
वेरी लेस. हमारी ट्रेनिंग जो है वो और शेड्यूल होगी अभी अदर से सिमुलेटर में अराउंड 1 month या 19-20 days.
अच्छा इसके बाद.
हाँ 660 मेगावाट.
From the organization of UPR.
हमारा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में खुद है सिमुलेटर तो वहाँ वो लोग 660
मेरा
मेगावाट
मेरा मानना है कि डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में पैसा ज़्यादा है.
वो तो अलग बात
Over the table, under
I'm not cutting, man. We need to move.
कमाई ज़्यादा रहती है इसमें।
नहीं bro, yeah,
आप
the
लोग में
over
यही
table, under table from all.
लेकिन अगर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेक्टर पे जाएंगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा।
एक्चुअली वो सब चीजें
Now you don't please open up.
सामने चीजें नहीं हो सकती ना, सब चीजें
Ah, man.
ठीक है, ठीक है।
I think we got enough content.
Okay.
I'm not saying that let's just ditch them and move on, but we have to move on.
Meet you some other days.
We'll meet you somewhere in the campus.
Okay,
but
bye.
yeah,
Nice to meet you, yeah.
beautiful people parking by. See you somewhere in the universe. Bye. And we'll continue our journey. Yeah. Okay. So, met some wonderful people, right? Oh yeah, I think you can see some.
We are executive of our
Yeah.
NPTI
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
they are a batch of.
How many
QPRV
people?
and-
Like
They are approx 180.
180, right?
Less,
Yeah.
approx that.
Actually, the thing about NPT is that you get to meet people from around the whole India, like
Yeah,
even
yeah.
outside India, right?
Like
Nepal.
NTPC,
Oman.
NHPC, and UPRVL. These guys.
Mhm. I think they are having some friendly chat. Yeah, I think they are having some private chats.
Hey, what you are discussing? Tomorrow's food or what?
Yeah, man. I think we'll edit it off for part 1 or part 2, right?
चल ठीक है बंद करो।
Huh? No, bro. Main building.
हाँ हाँ हाँ। और ग्राउंड में दिखा देना।
Issue plays around where we used to sit
Yeah.
in the evening and all.
ये वीडियो ना तुमसे वैसे देना पड़ेगा हम लोगों को। Check in laptop, you know.
We'll put on YouTube, man, straight away,
हाँ.
just like that raw.
Raw.
And also you have to share the channel.
Yeah, I think it's more like my channel, but anyone can upload this video on anyone's channel.
Anyone.
So it's all right.
It will not be like.
Yeah, it's not that I'll be, this video will be there, but you should get it from me. Yes, that will be the hardest part because I don't know, probably it reached 10 GB or something. But yeah, let's see the main building. Actually, I already did one thing in morning with my friend. But still, this is night life. Yeah, Satyam.
So this is our main building.
Yeah, this is the main building.
That's the main building. And that is our check post, you know.
Check post, and we have a neighbor.
Yeah, neighbor, NHPC neighbor.
NHPC neighbor.
This is our main building. That is the entry gate, and we go. We have classes here. All classes are here scheduled,
Mhm.
and we enjoy classes here.
Mhm.
They
You
are
enjoy
fully,
classes here. You
they are
must be
fully AC.
genius.
They are fully
We used to
AC.
enjoy classes
Yeah.
here, but this time we are not going.
Mhm.
We have not any classes.
Yeah. Guys, focus. We can see some disturbance in the universe.
So guys,
Let's
it's
end the
time to
vlog
close
here.
our vlog. End our vlog.
And
We'll
here-
end it out there where we started.
Okay.
That will be the. We haven't shown the gym and everything. But I think
it will come in
this
the
will
next
be,
vlog.
Yeah, I think we'll
It
do
will
something.
be in next vlog.
Yeah. Anyway, more than seeing this institute, it's like how students and people are right between each other and stuff. But I think it's a wonderful place, right? What do you say?
Yeah,
It's a wonderful
I think
place,
it's a
right?
very, very wonderful
I think you could
See
see.
the
And,
greenery here.
No place can be perfect.
And here
no
you will
place.
get opportunities to make your career in power sector,
Yeah.
like getting a placement in your dream company like Vedanta,
He's
Tata,
also- Tata,
and
not Tata,
Adani,
Mhm.
and
JPL,
JPL,
Jindal
you know.
Power Limited, JSW, 800 megawatts, 660 megawatts,
Mhm.
subcritical, supercritical, all.
Oh.
You can have the experience here and go and just do. You gain the knowledge. And one more important thing, 100 plus megawatt plant only takes NPTI people. Nothing more than that.
That's
So,
a really good sign for NPTI, right?
You have to have the NPTI degree for here. And this is ma'am's house. You can
Yeah.
just see.
Yeah.
Director General ma'am's house, who deals with all the NPTIs. Badarpur, Durgapur, Nagpur, Faridabad, all LPTIs are dealt by DG ma'am.
Okay, that's some
And there is
important.
cars.
Yeah,
which
there is
take-
cars, of course.
That
There is car, not our car,
not a
unfortunately.
NPTI car. That take teachers and other
Yes,
people.
yes. That's a bolero lying under the big tree. This is like the big tree. I always call this tree master tree. It has seen things which we haven't seen, right? It's very old tree.
So that's the place
So
where
this is
this
where we
vlog has
started, and this is where we will end. And
where we reside.
yeah, I think in between we were having personal sort of conversation, but who cares, right? It's like you know, it's a wonderful thing to be raw.
Wonderful
Actually, you can
to
cut
make
it
a
off, but
vlog.
we won't be cutting.
Yeah.
Maybe we are lazy little bit to edit, but we'll stop. See.
Okay, guys. Ashish.
So let's end here.
Yeah, let's end
Yeah, let's have few words with
vlog,
Ashish also.
and we'll
We'll
see
go the
you.
very less.
And don't
Hey,
forget to
Ashish.
subscribe our channel.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Ashish, please
That's the main thing.
That's the main thing. And Ashish,
And Ashish
Say
is our
something.
very
He's a
shy
very
guy.
shy
That's why
guy.
he has taken very less part in the vlog.
He is very emotional, you know. He
हम यही कहना चाहेंगे कि अब जल्द से जल्द इस ब्लॉग को
समाप्त
ब्लॉक
किया
किया जाए
block kiya
Vlogging
jaye.
समाप्त किया जाए.
Blogging
Let's
समाप्त किया जाए.
Good night, guys.
Good night, guys, and bye.